Software review selection process. What is an educational software? Educational software is a computer software with the primary purpose of teaching and self-learning. We already know that by the use of computer, the student life has been made very convenient in terms of schools, communication, discussion, and knowledges. These are the four educational software subsystems. Software, instruction, content information, instructional management, and assessment. Software, the hardware, software environment in which the software is intended to run and interface with users. Include keyboard, mouse, monitor, and Microsoft Windows to use and to run the software. Instruction, the way in which teacher and learners are expected to interact with the software when learning. This is the act of learning, of educating, giving steps that must be followed or an order. Example is the student learn how to use the computer. Content information, the facts, concept, principle, and procedural knowledge provide for learning. These are the website or articles. The last is the management and assessment, the way the software handles and reports information about the learners and the instructor. Assess learning outcomes before, during, and after the learning event. These four subsystems must really support each other to make the learning more effective. The 5 basic types of educational software: drill and practice and most tests, tutorial, simulation and some assessment, reference information, and tool. Drill and practice and most tests provide repetition and reinforcement of knowledge and skills previously learned. Include worksheet or practice tests. Tutorial provide a complete direct teaching learning experience, practice and feedback together with introduction, summaries, and other organizational learner control devices. Simulation and some assessment provide opportunity and manipulate an environment, sometimes called the microworld, and view the consequences of the manipulation. Example of simulation are instructional scenario where the learner is placed in a world defined by a teacher. Reference informational provide a factual content in a form of text, pictures, and or other multimedia. Tool automate tasks of data preparation, analysis, organization, handling, and storage. In numeric data, these are the calculators, spreadsheet, graphings, and analytical tool. In words, these are the word processor, search engine, and database. In multimedia, these are the browser and graphic. In communication, these are the email, chat, and messaging tool. Your review of the characteristic of 4 subsystems will help you decide how useful the software will be for you. These are the criteria for a subsystem and types. The software subsystem should: operating system, be compatible with available operating system and version. Processing power, require no more than the processing power and memory on the available computers. Peripheral, run with the available types of speed of video display card, audio card, CD-ROM, printer, and other peripheral devices. Storage space, use no more than the available hard drive storage space on the work, station, network server for the program software and learner data. Network capacity, require no more than the available network, internet capacity, reliability. Installation and setup, be installable and configurable by personnel available. Technical support, provide acceptably complete and responsive answer to technical questions and software upgrades via website, email, hotline, user training, and on-site service calls as appropriate. Security. Provide a level of security appropriate to the context. And last is the stability and speed. Be acceptably error-free, stable and fast in normal use.